It can be tough to have a crush on your best friend, especially if they don't feel the same way. If a romantic relationship isn't in the cards, it might help to get some space away from your friend for a while. Let them know that their friendship is still important to you, but you need some time to yourself. During your break, focus on things that are meaningful to you, like learning new skills, working on a hobby you enjoy, or spending time with other friends. When you are with your best friend, set boundaries to avoid rekindling your romantic feelings. For example, you might decide not to spend too much time alone with them, or steer clear of platonic hugs and cuddles for a while. It can take a while for a crush to die down, so be patient with yourself. Consider writing your feelings down, talking to another trusted friend about them, or even letting your best friend know what's up.